Hi there, Akash here. Today we are going to show BuildTrack guest room automation system where I'll explain each and every component, what exactly we do. So this is a pure state-of-the-art solution which I'm going to show right here. So I'm at the main entrance of any typical guest room which we have recently installed at one of the five-star hotel in Gurgaon. So in guest room automation, our first solution starts with smart tempered glass based switches, where you can see right here we have very elegant glass based panel with aluminum frame, where you can get a room number with doorbell option, with do not disturb, laundry and make my room option, which you can control from the indoor screen as well as from your mobile phone and voice like Google Home or Alexa. So just be with me, I'll show you the complete solution in guest room. So in any particular guest room, that is the first panel which we provide, that we call outdoor panel. So this is the, once you step inside the room, so you have this classy, elegant looking panel for keycard option with again do not disturb, make my room and laundry option. So what we do, once any guest will step in the room, so they'll just have to insert the card. So what will happen, let me just explain. So once you insert the card, the whole room will be created like a welcome mode. So as you can see, the all lights are off now currently. Once I insert this particular card, the whole lights will turn on as a welcome mode. So your lighting, your air conditioning, your TV can be indicated with this key card. So like you can see, I inserted the card and all the lighting are now turned on based on the setting which we have done. So it's a customized, you can integrate your air conditioning as well. So come along now, we have this second panel from which you can control your washroom lighting. Like you can see, the light is currently on. So with a touch of this panel, you can actually switch off the lighting, as well as you can control your vestibule lighting from this panel. So that is the second panel which we provide in any typical room. So if you come forward now, suppose there is a kettle, there is a you can say there is an iron or something like people the hotelier place here. So you can have this same matching panel with the socket with USB and switch option. So now we come on the bedside function. So what happens on the bedside? You can see here we have placed these again scene control switches, where you can see there are 4 scenes currently in one particular panel. So what I meant by this scene panel, so let's say this particular panel is for master on, this particular icon for master off, this particular icon for ambient or night mode. So what happens if you click on, if you touch on any particular icon, though your whole room will get created accordingly. Like you can see right here, all the lighting, everything is on currently. So once I switch off, once I click on this master off icon, all the lighting now went off. So this is like a scene icon, where your whole room will get customized, so you don't have to switch on or off multiple switches. Similarly, we have this night mode or the master on mode. So let's say for example you click on the master mode, so all the lighting and everything will get on, or the way we have customized the panel. So in this panel we also get a socket with USB and switch option. And as you can see, so now we come forward towards the table lamp. So on the table side, let's say you have a sofa, you have a couch or sofa something, so where you need to control your lamp. So again, the same socket can be integrated for the lamp control, and we can give you the touch option right here to control this. So I have shown you the panel option, the smart touch switch option, where we have shown the outdoor panel, we have shown the scene based control. So now I'm now jumping on the next part of the whole solution, like I explained earlier. So all the switches which we have given in one particular room, you can control those switches, and ultimately you are going to control your lighting, your aircon, your TV, or curtain or blinds, etc., etc. So from one particular app which we provide to the guest. So you can see this is a particular page which you can see here. There are all the options are here. So this is the this is the welcome page which we create for hotel client. So this can be customized. This is the landing page. This is the control page where you can see all the profile scenes are here. You can control your do not disturb, make my room, and laundry right from your app. So let's say you have all the scenes, you have all the switches on the app. So I'll just show you the function from the app. Let's say you click on the master off button, so the profile will get activated. Now you can see all the lighting are off. So earlier it was the whole lighting part was turned on. So once I click on the master off from the app, the whole room will get created. So similarly, you have this master on click. So just like the way you were controlling from the switch, the same function will come on the app. So from the app, you can see now all lighting are on. So in the same app, your air conditioning, your let's say you have a curtain or blind on the window, so that can also be integrated, and that can also be part of your profile buttons, like you can see here. So I'll show the other functions of the app, which is very unique, to the hotelier or the guest, because in the same app we give you the option of food ordering, like you can see. So this will be as per the hotel menu, which they are going to provide to the customer. So customer can see, they don't have to look at the hard copy or something which generally hotelier provides in the room. So we can avoid that. It's all now in a digital mode. The whole ordering part can be created, and customer can see, they can filter out the dishes and all, and they can just order on any type of food, and the whole data will go to the POS system in the hotel. So in the same app, you can see there is an option for service request. This is again a very unique feature in the same app. Like you can see, if you want to place any service request like electrical, like air conditioning maintenance, or towel or something, or let's say you want to check out, you want to place that request, so you don't have to call, because each and every request and complaint will be registered to the hoteliers, to the hotel console unit. So there will be a complete accountability. Whatever you are going to send as a request, or you are putting any request to the concierge services, so everything will be recorded, everything will be accountable. So this was the function of app. In the same app, we also integrate what places to visit nearby. So we can run the promotions also that is going on in any restaurant, or let's say bar or a banquet. So all the promotion can also be integrated in the same app. And this particular app, you can scan like a QR code, and the one temporary beveling will be given on your phone. So wherever you are carrying that phone, your whole room will come on your smartphone, and you can control everything right from your fingertips, and all everything will be at your fingertips. So this was the whole setup of any typical guest room. Now the requirement, or we can increase or minimize the function. So thank you so much for being with me, for your patience. So now I'm signing off now. Bye bye.